What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm in Kampot at Champa Lodge. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without see. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so I've walked out to the main road to start the video, but obviously when you arrive you get driven in on tuk-tuk. And what really interested me about this place is they're like individual little cottages on stilts. Like you get your own little house or your own little lodge. And mine faces the river, so it's really cool. But there's a few in here to choose from. So there's one right in front of us here. Here's another one. So they call it traditional Khmer lodging. Let's walk you through these things. So they have table tennis. There's a little trampoline. I guess that'd be if you had kids. In this place you can rent out the boats and the kayaks here. It looks like too, if you came as a large group, you could set up a small little party here. There's a barbecue there and a big table. We'll go over the reception is just right at the bar, and they do breakfast as well. So we'll go have that after I show you the room. There's tables and like a bar, and they serve food here till 9 p.m. Then they've got a place out here where you can eat your breakfast right on the river. I might have mine off to the side so I can make a video and not bother anybody. Right here or something. You know, I found out about this place. I was in Kampot over Christmas just 2 months ago. We were doing Pepperfest with my band. And right next to here, there's Champa Village, which is like more places you can stay, and you can also go just for the day, like day use. Pay $2 and you can go kayaking and you can sit by the river and kind of enjoy all these perks, but you don't have to be staying there. You can just do day use. And then right beside is this place, Champa Lodge. And over Christmas we went to the village and did an afternoon sitting there and everything, and I loved it. So now that I came back, I'm like staying right next to there. It's so beautiful. What I love about Kampot is you can see the mountains in the background there. Now on the camera it does not do it justice, but these hills and mountains look so good. You can see them in downtown too, and looks like too they've got paddle boards, the ones you stand on them. You stand on it and paddle yourself. They've got a bunch of sun loungers. Alright, let's go up and take a look at my little lodge that I've got for 2 nights here. know it's a little bit dark in here right now, but there's even a little single bed off to the side right here. You could fit another person over there. And I'll show you the bathroom. It's actually pretty nice for a little wood cabin. You get the toothbrushes and soap, and it's like a coat rack. You could hang up some stuff. They have this big fan on the wall, like facing on the bed, so you can blow it at night. And then they also give you another big fan right here. One thing though, there's no air conditioning. It's not even sealed roof, right? It's like you're in a wooden little lodge. So, but the fans are totally enough, and at night it actually gets it cools down a lot at nighttime here. There's a breeze, and so I had to go under the blankets last night, and there's not even AC. It's probably colder than my own apartment. Alright, so let's get down there and see what's for breakfast. Try their breakfast. Had about 5 different choices too. You could get like yogurt and muesli, so you could get fruit, you could get just like bread and jam and butter, you could get the fried egg and bacon and stuff, and you could get like an Asian noodle soup, and that's included with the room when you stay here. So yeah, I booked this place through Agoda app, and it was showing about close to 40 a night, but there was a deal going on and promotions, and so I got Agoda cashback rewards, which like brings it down to, it was like 58 for 2 nights, and the view is just incredible. There you go. The view is like the best. I'll put a link down below to the location or the Agoda link or something like that in case you want to book it. I'd highly recommend staying here. They're really nice. They're on top of it. Everything's very clean. It's quiet and peaceful here, and they're very nice people. They can organize tuk-tuks for you. They can organize tours. Look in the description below, and I'll put links if you want to stay here too. Well, I'm just gonna chill down on my little lounger here on my beautiful jungle balcony. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.